Hey guys, so if you are seeing this video, hopefully that means that you have made it through building your WordPress website. Congratulations. I am so proud of you. You should be proud of yourself. So let me be the first to give you kudos. If I could, here's a virtual high five, to say congratulations on building your website. It is no easy feat to do that. So congratulations on getting your website built. And thank you again for allowing me to help you through the process. And be sure to, let me know how this process was for you. If there's something that wasn't clear, if there's, something else that you would have liked me to explain or explain more, let me know. My goal is to make the series as useful as possible to beginners. And, I've been building, WordPress websites for years, so it's easy for me to kind of go through, go past some things that may be more of a challenge for someone who has never used the interface. So, do give me feedback. So I would really appreciate that. And I would also appreciate it if you enjoyed this course, if it was useful to you, spread the word, share it with someone else, let someone else know about it, have them reach out to me. Or go to my website so that they can get access to and they can, get their website built as well. That would be very helpful. I'm very fond of the notion of each one teach one and the notion of us all kind of helping to pull each other up. In business, a lot of people think that everybody has to compete and be cutthroat. That's not really the case. There's enough for everyone. There's abundance. So, yes, please share this with someone, help someone else to come up and to get to where you are. And I will do my best to continue helping you to grow your business, and we can all be successful entrepreneurs together. All right, guys, that's it. Thank you so much for bearing with me. I know I had a lot of long videos in there, but I was trying to help you to make sure that you know everything that you need to know. So thanks for sticking with me. And once again, congratulations. I'll see you soon. Bye.